In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $50 and even $100 a day with simple app installs and surveys. Now, you don't have to necessarily take my exact word for it, but in the subreddit here, Beer Money, this is all about this topic, right? As you can see, there's 293 members here in the Beer Money subreddit, and they talk all about this, right? And in this particular thread on the subreddit, one guy goes over how he's generated a lot of money, and he breaks down all the specific little apps and things that he has used, right? If you want my particular list of the top 30 apps and surveys to go to, I have a website here that is all about that. It's the free marketing plan, and I list my top apps where I make the most money from personally. So in this particular post right here, this guy breaks it down by month and which particular offers that he uses, right? So he has Swagbucks, he does some credit card signups, phone paycheck, earning stations, Survey Savvy, and the list goes on and on and on. Now, he doesn't use every single one of these programs every single month. As you can see, he got a couple credit card signups for December and November, but he didn't do anything before October. So he breaks down the entire list here, and if you can see by the totals here, he's generating almost a full-time income here, depending on where you live and depending on your lifestyle. $1,400, almost $1,500. I mean, that beats minimum wage. Last month, I think this is November, he generated almost $2,000. As you see down here, in, I don't know what month this is, but 2185. And in these two blocks, these are 3-month blocks, he generated $6,200 and $5,700. So, here's proof that the method actually does work. You can make a substantial amount, and these are from him actually doing the surveys and the app installs and the things like that. Because at the bottom here, he actually has a line here where it actually shows his referral earnings, and they're not that crazy. So he's not making a ton of money from the referrals. He's making his money by actually doing this, right? So I have the list right here of my top 30 apps that I actually enjoy and make money from. If you want that, head over. I'll put the link in the description. I actually have a Facebook group that I literally just started about a day or two ago. I'm already rocking out 90 members here, and it's all about that as well. It's all about how to generate money from your phone, different methods that you can use, and I also have that list in here as well. If this is something that you like and this is something that you really think that you can do, give the video a like, give me a subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.